Do you wait until it's nice outside to go for your run? You say it's too cold, too wet, too uncomfortable without the sun. But did you know that you will grow so much faster in the rain? Embrace the grind, and you will find progress in the pain. So tomorrow when you rise and the skies are black instead of blue, make no excuse. You know what to do. Put on your running shoes. Alright guys, so just got done with my run in the rain, which if you have never ran in the rain, give it a try. It's so refreshing, invigorating, I love it. Now, I'm gonna make a juice, and this is a simple, powerful anti-inflammatory juice made of only 2 ingredients, but potentially it could be 3 ingredients because if I had lemon, I would add that to it. But for now, I don't have any lemon, so we're just gonna use 1 head of celery and 2 cucumbers. So this is an alkalizing, hydrating, powerful juice that's good for the skin, hair, and nails. It's good for the joints. It's good for circulation. And so we're gonna just juice this up to replenish any of the electrolytes and other nutrients that I may have lost in my run. Now we're just gonna get on with our day. So let's do it. Guys, there is an alkalizing and refreshing green juice that's going to help to flush out your kidneys. It's going to support your organs and glands. It's going to help to balance your pH, and it's going to flush out your joints and help with any inflammation that's stagnant in your body. So, cheers. So refreshing. So guys, give this one a try. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Always follow your raw intuition.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.